Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Flowfex Antigen Test is probably one of the most crucial tools for rapid health monitoring, offering a convenient way to detect the presence of specific antigens quickly and efficiently right in the comfort of your home, empowering you with timely information for informed health decisions without the need for a clinic visit. Number 5. iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer PT3. Introducing the iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer. It measures temperature from up to 1.18 inches away, ensuring safe and hygienic use without any physical contact. Our advanced technology uses an ultra-sensitive infrared sensor to gather over 100 data points per second. Combined with distance and environmental sensors, it guarantees highly accurate readings every time. Taking a temperature is effortless with a single button. It displays the result in just 1 second on a large, clear LED screen, even in the dark. Plus, it provides a gentle vibration alert instead of disruptive beeps. This thermometer is suitable for all ages, from newborns to seniors. It's perfect for use at home, in hospitals, schools, and many other settings. Your purchase includes the thermometer, batteries, user manuals, and our 12-month warranty with dedicated customer support. What we like? This device offers a non-contact way to measure temperature, ensuring safety and hygiene. Its high accuracy is achieved through advanced sensor technology. If you are looking for a quick, quiet, and reliable way to check temperatures for everyone from babies to adults, this is a great choice for home use. What people say? It's quick, easy to use, and the no-touch feature is really convenient, especially for kids. The large display makes it easy to read, and it gives fast, reliable results. Read the temperature quickly and accurately. It's a nice size, not too big or clunky. This device is very reliable and is our go-to when we want to quickly get a temperature reading. Number 4. Zacurate 500BL Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Introducing the Zacurate 500BL, your reliable partner for monitoring blood oxygen levels. It's designed for simplicity, giving you peace of mind with every use. This compact device fits comfortably on your fingertip, allowing for quick and effortless readings. Keep track of your vital signs conveniently at home or on the go. The bright, easy-to-read display shows your SpO2 and pulse rate with exceptional accuracy. Get the information you need at a glance. Forget the hassle of searching for batteries. This oximeter comes complete with batteries included, so you can start monitoring right out of the box. Not only is it functional, but it also looks great. The sleek navy blue finish adds a touch of style to this essential health monitoring tool. Take control of your well-being with this user-friendly pulse oximeter. It's an indispensable tool for anyone looking to stay informed about their health. What we like? This is a compact and user-friendly device for monitoring blood oxygen saturation and pulse rate. It's ideal for individuals who need to keep track of these vital signs regularly. If you are an athlete, an elderly person, or someone with respiratory concerns, this fingertip pulse oximeter provides convenient and immediate insights. What people say? This one cleared up all doubt. It matches my old monitor and proved the new watch was giving false readings. It seems to give consistent readings day to day and accuracy is the same as in doctors' offices. It provides quick readings and turns itself off after use, saving battery life. Number 3. 23andMe Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Unlock the secrets of your past with our at-home DNA test kit. Explore over 4,500 geographic regions and connect with your ancestral roots. Go beyond borders to discover the specific villages or valleys your ancestors came from. Our Ancestry composition provides the most detailed geographic breakdown available. Find and connect with relatives who share your DNA through our optional DNA Relative Finder. Our automatic family tree makes visualizing your DNA relationship simple. Learn what makes you unique with personalized trait reports. Discover the science behind your hair color, taste preferences, and more. Collecting your DNA is simple and painless with our at-home saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your personalized reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic data is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. What we like? This service provides an incredibly detailed breakdown of your ancestry across thousands of regions. It also offers personalized reports on unique traits. If you are curious about your deep ancestral roots, want to understand your genetic predispositions for certain traits, or wish to connect with relatives, this is the most comprehensive option. What people say. The test is very easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test kit is user-friendly, making the process straightforward. The test kit includes all necessary components for a complete analysis. Number 2. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights to help you take control of your well-being. Understand how your DNA may influence your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your lifestyle with genetic wellness insights for diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions. Use these insights to make informed decisions and proactively manage your health journey. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit, no blood or needles required. Just spit in the tube and mail it back in the prepaid box. Receive your personalized genetic reports in just 4 to 5 weeks. Your data is encrypted, protected, and always under your control, ensuring your privacy. Your kit includes access to our essential Ancestry service, allowing you to explore your family tree and understand your heritage. You can upgrade for even more advanced insights. What we like. This test offers a comprehensive look at your health, including predispositions to certain conditions and carrier status for genetic variants. It also provides wellness insights based on your DNA. If you are looking to proactively manage your health, understand potential genetic risks for yourself or your future family, and gain actionable insights, this health-focused DNA test is highly recommended. What people say. 23 provides FDA-approved reports on your risk of 9 medical conditions, including Alzheimer's, plus several genetic carrier reports. Their discussion explanation of your risks for these conditions is specifically approved by the FDA and is understandable, informative, and useful. The analysis process itself took about 10 days, including a holiday weekend. Total wait time was 3 to 4 weeks. 23 identified 4 second cousins and about 32 third cousins. 23 also has cousins outside the USA, in my case in the UK, which are really valuable contacts for ancestry searching. Number 1. Genabio COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Self-Test Kit, 2-pack. Get reliable COVID-19 results in just 15 minutes, right at home. No appointment or lab visit is necessary, making it ideal for quick screening anywhere. Collecting your sample is comfortable and easy with our soft, short nasal swab. It's designed for simple self-collection, suitable for ages 14 and up, or with adult assistance for younger children. Perform this test at home whenever you need peace of mind, without the need for a prescription or a trip to the clinic. It's testing made simple and accessible. This test provides quick and dependable results for individuals aged 2 and older. It's designed for both self-testing and assisted testing, ensuring ease of use for everyone. Everything you need for testing is included in one box. Just follow the simple instructions for fast and confident results, right out of the package. What we like. This antigen test delivers fast and reliable COVID-19 results within 15 minutes, right in your own home. It features a gentle nasal swab, making it comfortable for most users. If you need quick peace of mind regarding COVID-19 status without a clinic visit, especially for frequent testing needs or for family members, this at-home test kit is an excellent and convenient solution. What people say. Easy to understand and easy to follow step-by-step testing process. The instructions are super clear, the nasal swab is short and comfortable, and you get results in about 15 minutes. It came quickly and told me I had COVID versus the flu, so I had to adjust my schedule to stay away from others a while. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.